Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and a new video. So today I got to clean the customer's car and I thought I would do this video because I thought what amazing cold start this one does. What good smoke like this.
A bit for the planet.
Got a good cold start on this guys, look.
And then you have hot point by your side. It's much easier. Have one's active air washing machine.
Quick cold start on this one guys. I thought, wow, what a good cold start on this. I'll buzz it up for you guys. Smoky goes here. Cool. Smoky go. Guys, she's a 61 plate. 61 plate with 114,625 miles, so it's quite bad mileage for the age of it. So it's not very good, and as you can see, it needs a service. Needs a service, look. Needs a service, guys. It needs a service. You know, 61 plate, 2011. Needs a service. Right. I could service it, but it won't work. Oh. Tidy car, really tidy car. Look, just got to valet it, mate. But I need to. Nice car, really. Yeah, lovely car. But smoky girl, isn't she? How smoky she is. Look. Look. You see? She smiles. Oh, she needs a condom, mate. Oh, no, I'm joking. Right. Not bad then. I just wanted to film that and then I'll see you in the next one.